There are numerous mysterious and strange places around the world that have captivated people's imaginations for years. Here are some of the most notable ones. 1. Bermuda Triangle. This region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean has been linked to the disappearance of numerous ships and aircraft, often leading to speculation of paranormal or extraterrestrial involvement. 2. Stonehenge, United Kingdom. A prehistoric monument consisting of massive standing stones, Stonehenge remains a mystery regarding its purpose and construction methods, with various theories suggesting astronomical, religious, or ceremonial significance. 3. Easter Island, Chile. This remote island is known for its giant stone statues called moai. The purpose of these statues and how they were transported and erected continues to baffle researchers. 4. Chernobyl Exclusion Zone, Ukraine. Following the catastrophic nuclear accident in 1986, the area surrounding the Chernobyl nuclear power plant was abandoned. Today, it is a haunting place frozen in time, offering a glimpse into the aftermath of the disaster. 5. The Great Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. The pyramids are incredible feats of engineering and remain a source of wonderment due to their precise construction, complex symbolism, and the mystery surrounding the techniques used by ancient Egyptians to build them. 6. The Bermuda underwater sinkholes. Located off the coast of Florida, these underwater sinkholes, known as the blue holes, are shrouded in mystery. Divers have reported strange occurrences and unusual phenomena in these deep, dark underwater caves. 7. Zone of Silence, Mexico. Located in the northern state of Durango, the Zone of Silence is a remote area where radio signals, compasses, and other electronic devices often malfunction. It has become the subject of numerous conspiracy theories and paranormal claims, including UFO sightings and strange magnetic anomalies. Remember that the allure of these places often stems from the unknown and the tales and legends surrounding them. While some may have scientific explanations, the mystery and speculation continue to fascinate people worldwide.